Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 5 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at SMS last week. We had our first home football game, and SMS students also completed map assessments last week. We do still have a few students who are on the makeup list for that, so hopefully we can get those students completed this week. Upcoming for this week, September, parents, is the month of service here at SMS. We have several opportunities for students to participate in service learning. We are having a drive to collect some school supplies for Buckhorn Elementary, which is one of the schools in eastern Kentucky that was devastated by the flood. You can ask your students what things they can bring in for Buckhorn, but general school supplies is what we are collecting. On Wednesday and Thursday, staff will have PLCs in the conference room. Thursday is also our MSU student orientation at SMS, and that will actually be held in the conference room as well. So those are our students who are completing hours under teachers at SMS, observation hours, so there will be some new faces in the building starting this week. And then on Friday, as always, it's Bring It Friday, and library book checkouts are going to be with Mrs. Bowl and Mrs. Williamson's class. Social Studies will assign the Achieve 3000 article for this week, and it is going to be the First Responders Parade in Flemingsburg on Sunday, September the 11th. I think we may have a few students who are doing some service work through that as well. Also, parents, don't forget that Fall Open House is going to be next week on Wednesday, September the 14th. It will begin at 5:30, and it'll be a chance for you to pick up student midterms and probably data sheets at that time. Also, if you haven't already done so, parents, please make sure that you sign up for the SMS Remind. We push out updates weekly through SMS Remind, and then also teachers can provide updates from their individual classrooms to you if you are signed up. We would like to take a moment for this week and recognize our student spotlight. Our student spotlight is 8th grader and Silver Snake team member Elia Gonzalez. Elia is a triathlete. You can see in the pictures she plays basketball, she also plays volleyball, and she plays soccer. She is a standout athlete. She is also gifted in art. Her sketches are really beautiful. I've seen her do several things in art class throughout her time here at SMS, and they are very impressive. She is also a 2-year member of our SMS band where she plays the flute. She is bilingual in both English and Spanish, and she actively participates in the Latino Student Organization out of Lexington and attends church at St. Patrick Church. Miss Thayer has also said that Elia is a standout in math class. She's attentive, she's focused during class, she is really diligent in taking notes, and she's also willing to help her classmates. So, Elia, we are just so proud of you. Congratulations. I can't wait to see what you do for the rest of your time here at Simons Middle School, but also as a Fleming County Panther. So thank you for always bringing it. We do have an Achieve 3000 update for this week. We would like to congratulate on our leaderboard on Monday, Maxwell Ginn, Tuesday, Lucas Shalama, Wednesday, Katie Sewell, and Thursday, Reagan Guzman. Our weekly top scorer for this week was Braylon Pollitt, and the students who had the most activities at 75% or above on their first try was Braylon Pollitt with 4, and it was a 4-way tie for grade 8 with Camilla Berry, Maxwell Ginn, Dylan Earls, and Cassie Kelly, all completing 3 activities. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.